Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home, right? So being in the home, we need to do some activities, right? Yes, so today in this class, we are going to learn some interesting topic. Of course, it is your favorite subject. I think this is your favorite subject, right? Isn't it? Yes, I hope it is your favorite subject. What it is? Yes, we are going to see nutrition today. Yes, so what is nutrition first? So nutrition is nothing but animals or plants taking in the food and utilizing the food in our body, that is called nutrition, right? So when we study about the nutrients present in the food, what is nutrients? So that nutrients help our body to grow and develop, and it gives us energy to our body, and also it protects us from diseases, right? So that is called nutrients. Yes or no? Yes. So what are the nutrients? Like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So carbohydrate gives energy to our body, proteins help in growth and development, fats also gives energy to our body, vitamins help in protecting our body from the diseases, and finally minerals. What is minerals? Minerals regulates our body. Like in our body we do have blood pressure, everything, right? So all this functioning in our body is regulated by the minerals you are eating, right? So today this is your first class, right? So in this first class we will just go through some basics of nutrition. So in nutrition usually we will do some activities like practicals of many fruit salads or vegetable salads or sandwiches or juices, right? Yes. So in this class we will go with the basic of nutrition. Okay. So first you should know the materials that we use for the nutrition, right? So we use plate, spoon, all these things you know about it, right? But some things, some materials that you are not aware of it, you don't know the name of it. Maybe you know in Tamil, right? But in English you may not knowing what it is, right? So that is what we will start from the basic. Okay. So first we will see one material. So this is a material which we often use in preparing the food, right? So what is this name? So this name in English it is called as grater. So what it is? Grater. See, usually we grate carrot, we grate coconuts. Yes, no? So name of this is grater. So whenever I say take a grater, you should take a grater like this. So with the help of this we can make the vegetables into small pieces, right? Yes. So next one, this one is peeler. What is this? Peeler, because it will peel the skin of the vegetable and fruits. So that's why the name of the equipment is called peeler. So if I say peel the fruit, peel the vegetable, you should take the peeler and then peel the skin of the fruits and vegetables. Some fruits we use the skin also, but some fruits or some vegetables we have to remove the skin. So for that we can use the peeler and remove the skin, right? So of course this one you know, this is a knife, and this one it's called as whisker, because we usually whisk the egg. We used to whisk the curd or any materials which we are mixing together. So this is called as whisker. What is this? Whisker, right? No, you know spoon, but what is this? Can you name it? So this is called as fork. Okay, F-O-R-K, fork. So we will eat the food with the help of spoon, as well as some food we can eat with the help of fork. Like maybe you can eat with the salads, vegetables and all, we can use the fork, right? Yes. Now you know in Tamil the name of this equipment, right? So what it is? In Tamil we used to say karandi, right? So what is the name of the thing in English? Yes, so it is called as ladle. Okay, what is it is? Ladle. So in English it is called as ladle, right. So, we usually take the gravies and the liquid things using the ladle. So, you know in Tamil, but you should also name it and you try to tell in English also, okay. Next one we will see what is this. So, this is a board, it looks like a board, right. So, usually we keep the fruit and the vegetable on this and we cut. So, that is why this is called as cutting board, or it also called as chopping board. What is this? Cutting board, or it can be also called as chopping board, okay. So, now you know what is this. This is a plate, okay. So, almost you know everything, and this is a strainer. So, usually we wash the fruits or wash the greens in this, so that the mud, the sand, everything will go off. So, this is a strainer, okay. So, everything almost you know the name of the materials. So, now I am going to teach you some two things like cuts of the vegetable. So, using the cucumber, we are going to prepare a basic ingredient, basic recipe today, okay. So, this is the cucumber, right. So, using this I am going to prepare a salad for you, right. Yes. So, I am going to first slice the cucumber. So, what is slicing? So, there are two different cuts. One is called chopping. Chopping is nothing but cutting the vegetables or fruits into very small particles are called chopping. What is chopping? Cutting the fruits or vegetables into small pieces are called chopping. And what is slicing? Slicing is nothing but I am going to cut the cucumber into slices. Then you can watch out what I am going to do it, right? Yes. So, after I slice it, you can watch it. So, this is called slicing. See, I have sliced the cucumber, okay. So, this method, this cutting is called slicing, okay. So, we can slice the cucumber and we can eat in a raw form. We can eat the cucumber in a raw form. This cucumber contains 95% of water and it helps our body to always keep dehydrated, okay. So, next it prevents us from dehydration, okay. So, this cucumber contains high amount of vitamins and minerals. So, minerals like potassium, magnesium is present in the cucumber. So, that is why mostly those who are preferring for weight loss and those who have any chronic problems like hypertension or any problems in the heart. So, they have to consume high amount of cucumbers because it contains some fiber also which helps our body to reduce our weight as well as fat from our body. So, this cucumber also is rich in carbohydrates and also it is rich in many vitamins and minerals, right. So, next we will see along with this cucumbers, I am going to add some lemon juice on top of it. So, this lemon contains high amount of vitamin C. So, the vitamin C help our body to protect us from diseases, particularly all the germs, we can fight the germs, right. So, this lemon I am going to cut into two. So, usually we have to cut the lemon. See, listen children, see, whenever we cut the lemon, we should not cut on the point. So, in between the point, so you can see some space, right. So, in between the points only we have to cut the lemon. So, then only we can get the juice from the lemon, okay. So, now shall we cut? Yes. So, now you will see the lemon like this. So, you can see the seeds inside the lemon. So, just de-seed is nothing but removing the seeds. So, take off the seeds, okay, and whenever we do any salads, it can be a vegetable salads or fruit salad, try to include the lemon. So, it adds refreshing taste as well as also it is good for our body. So, add the lemon juice into the cucumber so that you will get the vitamin C also, okay, and take some salt and pepper powder. So, you are going to help do all this at home and try to give to your parents, okay. So, take some salt and pepper powder and try to add it little bit according to the quantity of the vegetables. So, take some little amount of salt and sprinkle on top of it, and you can take even the pepper. Pepper is good for our body, particularly for our throat, okay, and particularly it removes all the flu or the cold from our body. So, pepper is good for our body. So, try to add some pepper into the salads and try to eat it, okay. So, make the pepper as a fine powder and then you add it. So, then you can mix the vegetables. So, and then you can serve to your parents or to your well-wishers or whoever you want to give the salad to them, okay. So, tell them the benefits of the cucumber and tell them this is good for our body as it contains vitamin C, potassium and magnesium, and it also has many good qualities in it, right children. So, with the next new recipe, I will meet you in the next class.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை வணங்கி உணர்ந்து உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருந்து செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அக மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து